All right, everyone. Welcome to today's charting session. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, what we do here is we typically look at yung mga trending names based sa listahan na rini-release ng Instagrams daily. You can find that list on the right-hand side of your screen typically if you use Instagrams as your charting provider or charting platform. No? We also do chart requests. And usually, we do a mixture of both. And today's not gonna be any different. Medyo halo pa din tayo. Okay? We'll start the day off with MONDE. So MONDE, when we last looked at this, ang sabi natin, price came back and tagged tong white zone dito. Okay, what's happened was, nag-form tayo ng resistance of sorts. I mean, I'm not comfortable na saying na yan na yung swing high natin just yet. But may resistance of sorts dyan. And now price has been trying to push up. Kaso binibentahan, nag-wick down tayo, no? Pero overall, it's trying to form, I guess, some type of triangle here if you look at it from lower time frames. Pero kung ako, I would still rather see price come back and start trading above 17.5 na area first bago ko masabi na baka may nagbago. Kasi essentially, what happens here is pwedeng ito yung low mo. Diba? So high, low, lower high, lower low. Possible that price could come here, tag it, push back down, then form a lower low there. Hindi pa natin alam. In fact, price could not even go up there. Baka dito pa lang sa puti, mauntog na siya, tapos tumulak na tayo. So yun yung iniiwasan natin. Structurally, gusto ko sana muna makakita ng some type of reversal structure kahit nasa lower time frames man lang para masabi natin na, okay, baka nagto-turn na yung tides. Kasi ang laki rin ng binaba niya, di ba? Even if you're super bullish ng MONDE, you have to admit na in the midterm at least, parang bumalik siya ng sideways. Kasi essentially, parang ito yung naging malaki mong range. Bumalik siya ng sideways. So, we're watching out for that. We're watching out kung anong pwedeng gawin ng price from there. So, we described yung bullish na scenario. Ang bearish scenario is of course, kung mag-form nga tayo nung higher lower high, then we break down, break beneath tong 15 pesos na area, then highly likely we at least come to tag tong 14.4, itong structure of lows dito, yung cluster. We might come back to tag that, then we can see from there kung ano na ang balak niyang gawin. Mag-hold ba siya as support? Baka talagang long-term pullback muna, tapos magpapahinga muna, and then saka siya mag-decide na kung ano gusto niyang gawin moving forward. Alright? Next, let's take a quick look at LTG, no? So, LTG, this was a requested chart. Wala pa rin essentially nangyayari from the last time we looked at it. We broke above itong white zone na to, and so far, that white zone has been holding. While I said at the time na, okay, that's a good thing, pero hindi pa buo, di ba? Hindi pa buo yung picture. Yes, we could be forming, so ito yung low, high, higher low, baka higher high. So, we might be forming a higher low here. Hindi pa sure yun, no? I would still rather see price break above tong 10.72 na area para mag-open up tong trading zone or trading range above, yung 10.7 to 11.5 na area. If however, from here, hindi mag-hold tong white na zone, we break down, break beneath tong area ng 9.47 to 9.66. We test it from underneath, mag-hold yan, tas we break further, creating new lows. Then highly likely, we come to tag tong mga lows na nandito. Either ito, or yan. Yung 8.5. Tas if bumalik man siya ng 8.5, titignan natin ngayon kung mag-hold ba yung area na yun, or baka bumigay na siya this time around. So, hindi pa talaga natin masabi na blue skies na, kumbaga, na all clear na yung signal. Diba? Even though, yes, it broke out of what is essentially itong flag na to. It broke out of tong inverted head and shoulders na to. For me, personally, ako lang to, baka mas conservative lang ako. Mas gusto ko pa rin makita na mabasag to moving forward. So next, let's take a quick look at ABA. No? So ABA, again, requested chart siya ulit. But I like it kasi may continuity tayo na tinitingnan kasi binabantayan natin to for the past ilang weeks, diba? So patuloy pa rin yung consolidation natin sa range na to. As we discussed na one of the things we could expect I still want to see price break above 1.19 to 1.2 na area to see it, to open up yung possibility for it to push higher. Maybe targeting itong high na to at 1.32, or baka pwede rin na mauntog ng konti dito around 1.24. Let's see what happens. So, but I think na if mabasag natin tong 1.19, 1.2 na area, then there's a good chance we reach for yung 1.32 na resistance up here. Okay? If however, sabihin natin mabasag tong 1.10, for me, let's zoom in hindi pa naman end of the world. Okay? Parang babalik lang siya dito sa previous range na to. Possible na bumuelo lang ulit, sa akit ulit. Same thing that happened here, di ba? Same thing that happened here, nag-break out, bumalik, binalikan din. Possible na ganoon ulit, lalaki lang yung range niya. Mag-open up siya ng larger range, tapos kailangan natin mag-readjust. However, it price falls down and breaks beneath tong 1.02, then I think highly likely we come back to tag piso to 97 cents na area. Okay, piso to 97 cents. And if that breaks as well, then it opens up this section here as a possible new trading range for ABA. If you were to ask me, it's looking parang more sideways, but medyo bullish. Kumbaga, ano ba yung term doon? Bullish ranging. Okay? Bullish ranging, more so than anything else. Confirmation pa rin, as I said, is we want to see it break above tong 1.19, 1.2 na area para lang mas may conviction. Hopefully, kapag nag-breakout siya with good volume din. Alright? So, yan yung ABA, no? Guys, bago tayo magpatuloy, paalala ko lang sana ulit that if natutuwa kayo manood ng mga videos na to, yung daily charting sessions natin, and may natututunan naman kayo or you find it helpful, then I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It's one of the few ways kasi for me then to see kung talaga nga bang natutulungan kayo ng mga videos na to. And syempre, yun naman yung goal natin, is makapagturo habang natutulungan natin yung kapwa natin. Okay? So moving forward, let's take a look at home. So tong home, it moved higher, broke above this resistance level at 10.78. Again, 10.78, kinuha natin yan dito sa high na yan. Okay? Yung 11.2 is sa mga lows na to. So, we broke above it, but immediately broke down beneath it. Pero tong 9.98, nag-act siya as support of sorts. Yes, may mga overshoots here, but generally speaking, price did close above it more or less. So, nag-hold siya as support and now price is trying to push higher again. But until we can break yung 11.2 for me, essentially, nangyayari, ito pa rin yung trading range natin with possible overshoots up to here. Okay? Bakit? Kasi, nabalik ko pala sa weekly. So, ito pa rin yung trading range natin. Just let me draw it in. Ito yung trading range natin with possible overshoots up to here. Bakit? Kasi, yes, nag-hold tong support na to. But, wala namang evidence na just because nag-hold yan, ay willing na siyang i-break to eh. Diba? Yes, I know, it's looking bullish. It is. It's still looking bullish overall. And it could easily break 11.2. But ako, I'd rather err on the side of caution and be a bit more conservative and find confirmation before saying outright na, ayun, sige, tuloy na to. Diba? So, possible for now, baka mangyari is either mag-range here, possible overshoot there, or yun nga, paborito ng lahat, we just break to the upside and it keeps moving higher. What we don't want to see from here is for price to push back down. Come and test this area here sa 9 pesos to 9.3, tas basagin din yan. Pag mabasag yan, that opens up this trading range below. Okay? Which is yung 8.26 to 9 na area. Medyo hindi na siya as nice. Diba? Kasi with all this consolidation here, it really shouldn't have any business going back all the way down here. Ibang usapan sana kung isang super quick move up lang, diba? Baka structurally speaking, may sense pa. Pero right now, parang it shouldn't do that anymore. Okay? So, yun yung iniingatan natin at yun ang ayaw nating makita. Okay? Overall, yes, it still looks bullish. It still looks okay. Sana mag-hold na nga itong mga areas na to and it starts pushing higher from here. And then finally, let's take a quick look at ALLHC, no? So ALLHC, we marked out this white zone na to where we said that price found support, di ba? Yung demand zone natin dito. So price came back to it, it held, came back to it here again, it held. Then we push higher and broke above tong 5.5 na area. Okay? However, just because it broke yung 5.5 na area, hindi pa rin all peaches and roses. Kasi essentially, we're trapped within tong consolidation dito sa taas pa rin. Right now, the possibility still exists na sa bigger picture, pwede tayong mag-form ng parang inverted head and shoulders pattern, like so. Tapos kapag mabasag into the downside, break the neckline, test underneath, baka tumuloy. So, yun yung ayaw nating makita. So, from here, hindi ko pa masabi outright na, sige, okay na, or hindi okay. I want to see it develop a little bit more. Okay, I want to see what it does from here. If we can start holding above tong 5.46, 5.5 na area, then baka pwede natin siyang mas tuunan ng pansin. Tignan natin kung meron nga ba talagang developments, lalo na maybe we can focus a bit sa mga lower time frames to see kung may mga clues na naiwan doon na pwede natin gamitin. Okay? So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin. I hope na may natutunan kayo or nag-enjoy kayo, no? And as always guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!